Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix any problem related to your Play Store in your device Vivo Y02s. So if you're facing any problem relating to your Play Store, like you are unable to install or uninstall apps in your device, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your Play Store related problems.